Look under your kitchen sink and count the specialized cleaning products. One for floors, one for glass, one for all-purpose, one for laundry, one for mold, one for pest control. Look in your garage, wood preservatives, insecticides. How many separate products are you maintaining for problems that are fundamentally solved by the same compound sitting in plain sight? You want every grocery store shelf for less than the cost of a coffee. In our previous video on borax for wood preservation, we showed you how this single mineral has protected wooden structures for centuries, while the wood restoration industry built a billion-dollar business around products that cost 10 to 50 times more. That video reached 188,000 viewers because the knowledge was shocking. That one compound solved a problem people thought required specialized, expensive chemistry. What we did not tell you in that video is that borax is not a specialist. It is not a one-trick compound. It is the inverse. It is a universal solution sitting in the laundry aisle that professional cleaners, pest control specialists, and restoration experts have known about for a century and have quietly kept out of consumer awareness, because acknowledging it would eliminate the need for 90% of the products those industries sell. Well, one box of borax eliminates the need for specialized mold killers, specialized laundry boosters, specialized all-purpose cleaners, specialized pest control, natural disinfectants, and wood preservatives. A homeowner with one box of borax and the knowledge of how to apply it has solutions to more household problems than 20 specialized products combined. This is not exaggeration. This is the literal inventory of what borax does, and the industries that profit from selling you separate solutions for each problem have maintained silence about the unified solution. Sitting on laundry shelves for over 100 years, this is the complete master guide. 6 major applications, one compound, $1, and the knowledge that transforms the chemistry you have available to solve every problem your house presents. Welcome to Fix Bevel. Subscribe and hit the bell right now. Let me take you back to where this story begins, not just in history, but in how borax knowledge became fragmented. Comprehensive knowledge of this mineral was broken into specialized applications that different industries marketed separately to consumers. Borax has been mined and traded for over 2,000 years. The ancient Persians used it as a cleaning and preserving agent. Chinese chemists documented its properties in the 10th century. The Silk Road trade in borax was a significant commerce route. The compound was valued for its utility across many applications: cleaning, preservation, textile treatment, and pest control, all in one mineral. When European industrial chemistry developed in the 19th century, borax became a studied compound rather than a folk remedy. Chemists documented its antimicrobial properties and its ability to denature protein structures in insect exoskeletons and wood. By 1850, borax was used systematically in textile manufacturing, leather tanning, metal cleaning, and wood treatment across Europe and North America. The fragmentation began in the early 20th century. Laundry products became a separate industry from cleaning products and pest control. Each industry discovered borax was effective for their specific application and chose to market specialized products around that single use. Professional cleaners and pest control specialists continue to use borax systematically because they are paid for results, not for product volume. They know it solves multiple problems. But consumer marketing has fragmented this knowledge because it generates fragmented revenue streams. A consumer thinking they need 6 products buys 6 products. A consumer knowing one compound solves all 6 problems buys one product. Here are the 6 major applications. Each one is a complete solution. Each one replaces specialized products. Each one works through borax's fundamental chemical properties. Application 1, wood preservation and protection. Borax dissolved in water and applied to wood penetrates the fiber and creates permanent biological protection. The boron ions become incorporated into the wood matrix, where they create a hostile environment for rot fungi and termites. This application protects unfinished wood from decay and preserves wooden structures indefinitely. A box of borax costs just $1. Deck sealers cost $20 to $40 per gallon and require reapplication. Borax is a permanent application with a one-time cost. Application 2, mold and mildew elimination. Borax creates a solution that kills mold on any surface and prevents regrowth. Unlike chlorine bleach, which allows regrowth within weeks, borax prevents regrowth indefinitely by leaving a residue fungi cannot metabolize. Application 3, natural pest control. Borax is lethal to insects like cockroaches and ants at concentrations safe for humans. Mixed with powdered sugar and water into a paste, borax becomes an attractant that disrupts insect metabolic processes. Professional services charge hundreds of dollars for similar formulations. The homeowner can replicate this service for under $5. Application 4, laundry enhancement. Borax softens water, boosts detergent effectiveness, removes odors, and disinfects clothing. It works because it raises water pH to alkaline levels where bacterial growth is suppressed and detergents perform better. Application 5, all-purpose cleaning. Borax cuts grease, dissolves mineral deposits, and removes built-up dirt from any hard surface. 1 box of borax makes enough solution to clean the entire house, replacing cleaners that cost 10 times more. Application 6, natural disinfectant and deodorizer. Borax eliminates bacteria and odors from surfaces and fabrics. Sprinkled in trash cans or litter boxes, borax absorbs odors while preventing bacterial growth without harsh fumes. Borax is effective, safe, and professional grade. Stop paying for premium markups and start using this natural solution today. The household cleaning and maintenance products industry generates over $500 billion annually globally. This includes specialized products for every problem: floor cleaners, glass cleaners, bathroom cleaners, mold killers, and dozens of subcategories. Each product category has research and development budgets, marketing budgets, distribution networks, and retail shelf space. The industry's profitability depends on maintaining the perception that each problem requires a specialized solution. If a consumer believes that mold requires a specialized mold killer, they purchase that product at premium price. If they believe that pest control requires a specialized pest control product, they purchase that. If they believe that wood preservation requires a specialized sealer, they purchase that. A homeowner who purchases specialized products for 6 different problems generates 6 separate revenue streams for different companies. A homeowner who understands that one compound, the borax, solves all 6 problems, generates 1 revenue stream, the purchase of a $1 box. The industry has not actively suppressed borax knowledge. It has simply never promoted it. Professional cleaners know about borax and use it systematically. Consumer-facing marketing remains focused on specialized products. The laundry industry sells borax as a laundry booster at premium markup, but does not educate consumers that the same compound is also a mold killer, pest control solution, and all-purpose cleaner. The pest control industry knows that borax works, but sells specialized pesticide formulations at much higher prices. The cleaning products industry knows that borax creates effective cleaning solutions, but sells branded all-purpose cleaners instead. Each industry fragment operates independently, selling specialized solutions without cross-reference to the universal compound that solves all their problems. Here is exactly what to do. 1 box of borax, 6 applications, complete instructions for each. Use 1, wood preservation. Mix 1 cup of borax powder per gallon of hot water. Stir until fully dissolved. Apply generously to wood surfaces like decks and fences. Saturate the wood so the solution penetrates the fiber. Allow to dry completely. The boron provides permanent biological protection. For stained wood, strip the old coating first, then apply treatment. Expected result: no rot or termites. Cost per treatment of a deck is under $2. Resealing is never required, unlike sealers that cost up to $150. Use 2 mold and mildew killer. Mix 1 tablespoon of borax per cup of water. Spray or scrub affected surfaces. Let sit for 15 minutes, then wipe clean. For laundry room mold on wood or fabric, spray and allow to air dry without rinsing. Use 3 pest control. For roaches and ants, mix borax, powdered sugar, and water to make a paste. Place near baseboards and sinks. For fleas, add half a cup of borax to a vacuum bag before cleaning carpets. The borax dust kills fleas as you vacuum. Use 4 laundry booster. Add half a cup of borax to a regular load. It softens water, enhances detergent, and removes odors. Expected result: cleaner, fresher smelling laundry with a softer feel. This costs pennies compared to expensive specialized boosters. Use 5 all-purpose cleaner. Mix 1 tablespoon per gallon of warm water. Spray on floors, counters, windows, or bathroom fixtures. The alkaline solution dissolves mineral deposits and cuts grease. It provides sparkling clean surfaces without toxic fumes. Use 6 disinfectant and deodorizer. Sprinkle borax powder directly into trash cans, litter boxes, and diaper pails to absorb odors. For fabric odors, sprinkle on upholstery, let sit, then vacuum. This creates odor-free, bacteria-inhibited textiles for under $1. 1 box, endless savings. Start using borax for your home maintenance today. Here's what I want you to understand when this video ends. Under your sink are specialized products for specialized problems. In your laundry room are specialized laundry products. In your garage are specialized wood sealers. In your cleaning closet are specialized all-purpose cleaners, mold killers, and disinfectants. You're maintaining 6 to 10 different products for problems that share a unified chemical solution sitting on a shelf for $1. Borax is not one solution that happens to work for many problems. Borax is the universal problem solver that the industry has fragmented. The reason your bathroom requires a mold killer, your laundry a booster, and your pest control a specialized product is not chemistry. It is that the companies selling specialized solutions profit more from fragmentation than from unity. Professional cleaners and restoration experts know this. They use borax systematically because they are paid for results, not for product volume. Homeowners are kept unaware because fragmented knowledge generates fragmented purchasing. A consumer thinking they need 6 products buys 6 products. A consumer knowing that one compound solves all 6 problems buys 1 product. Our previous video reached 188,000 viewers because the knowledge that wood preservation could be solved permanently for $2 was shocking. This guide reaches deeper, showing that this shock applies to every household problem that specialized products claim to require specialized chemistry.